Just then, Batman appears out of nowhere and lifts Wonder Woman out of harm's way. I got you a Finding Dory egg surprise! Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess Fam! Today, we're gonna be unboxing Lego Duplo Learn to Count Number Train! Who's excited? I am!
Princess Toy Review.
First, it's story time! Alright, Spotty, I gotta go deliver these numbers. I'll be back. Woof woof. And off the train went. Meanwhile, Wonder Woman was taking a stroll on her bike. As she was riding, she noticed that something about her engine wasn't right. She tried to brake, but it didn't work. Meanwhile, the train was coming on the horizon, and it was too late for a conductor to stop the train. Oh no, it looks like we're gonna collide! Just then, Batman appears out of nowhere and lifts Wonder Woman out of harm's way. Just in time for the train to pass through safely. And Batman lands Wonder Woman safely. Thank you, Batman. You saved my life. Anytime, Wonder Woman. I'm glad I could help. How can I ever thank you? Oh, I know. Wait here. I got you a Finding Dory egg surprise. Thank you. Let's open it. It's a Care Bear blind bag. I wonder what's inside. Aw, it's Grumpy Bear. It comes with two bags and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 miscellaneous pieces. Now let's open the bag. Now let's start building the choo-choo train. First, we're gonna take this green wagon piece with the yellow wheels, and we're gonna put this red piece right in the front. And then we're gonna add this green square piece right behind it. Next, we're gonna take this big red piece and we're gonna add that next to that. You're gonna want this towards the front. Now we're gonna add this yellow piece on top of the red one. And then we're gonna add this green and red piece in front of that. We're done with the front of the train. Now we're gonna take this red piece with the yellow wheels and we're gonna add number 1 right in the front. And then after number 1, we're gonna add number 2. And of course, number 3 follows. And then we're just gonna add this orange piece right in the middle. The second part of the train is done. Okay, now we're gonna take this green piece with the yellow wheels And we're gonna start with number 4. It's gonna go right in front. And after number 4 is gonna be number 5. What goes after number 5? Oh, I know. Number 6. And on top of that, we're gonna add this light green piece right in the middle. We're doing great. Let's continue counting. First, we're gonna take this blue piece with the yellow wheels and we're gonna get number 7. We're gonna add that to the front. And then we're gonna add number 8 right in the middle. And of course, after that comes number 9. Again, we're gonna add this light blue piece right in the middle. All done. Looks like we only have number 10 left. 10 is gonna be our tree. So we're gonna take this long green piece and we're gonna put number 10 right in the middle. And then we're gonna take this light green piece. We're gonna put it on the right hand side. And then this green piece next to it. We're gonna take another green piece and put it right in the middle. That was easy. Now let's connect our train. If you would like more Princess Playtime, please subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses. Bye. It looks like I was right. Ew. She definitely had some juice. Do you smell that, kids? Hoo-wee. Whoa, look. Good girl. Uh-oh, she's fallen. Hi, princesses. It's Princess Fam. Today, we're gonna be unboxing Baby Alive, Baby Go Bye-Bye. Who's excited? I am.